Hi, Bill White here again. Okay, this time I'm going to show you how to do a dictation exercise in H5P for Moodle. Okay, here's the sentences. I'll have them hopefully listen to and type. And I have all my audio files all set up here. I have a regular version and a slower version, as I have some early, or I should say, elementary learners, not elementary grade, but okay, beginner learners. I'm sorry. Okay, so I will offer them a slower version, but that's all up to you. Okay, so you go into Content Bank and then Add and choose Dictation. Okay, then you would just name it as you want. Okay. And okay. And then if you want to give each one a particular name, you can. You don't have to. And you would just choose your files. Okay. And then if you want a slower one, if you have one, you don't need it. And then what you expect them to write. Yeah. Then add another one. Okay. I'm only going to do 2 instead of all 5, but this just gives you an example how easy it is. And then okay, and then if you have any other changes you want to do, behavioral settings and things like that. Yeah, okay. This is really important if your students aren't good with punctuation marks. If you want them to, then you should uncheck this and put it in your instructions or in your audio. Okay? And then other things that you may want or not. Okay? As I said, mine are elementary or a beginner level, so I'm not going to worry about the punctuation quite yet. Then, no.
It's been so long since I've seen you.
Yep. Or,
It's been so long since I've seen you.
this is about a 30% reduction speed.
Nice day out, isn't it? Nice day out, isn't it?
I don't know. See, so even if I don't put in the punctuation, it works, yeah? And then you can have this so they don't see it, but you know, and then it's just simple as that, okay? So you can do it that way. So it's a very easy thing to do. Okay, good luck.